Mr. Mishra, Mr. Clark, Mr. Padavoni, Mr. Govind Rajan, Mr. Singh, Mr. Tewatia, ladies and gentlemen. Really a pleasure for me to be here with all of you. It's a very apt theme to this seminar, Telecom Success Stories, the Way Forward. But my office decided to make it Telecom Success Stores, the Way Forward. And I think that too is very apt, because the store has a very large number of stories. Telecom, as you see, is a growing sector in this country, and it has really picked up the momentum and pace that is virtually unparalleled in any other part of the world. I've had an occasion to go to South Korea recently, where a minister-level conference was organized. And there, when I quoted the figures, they thought there was something not right with me. And they wanted me to give it in writing, circulate the paper that I was reading out, so that their respective governments could believe the ears of their representatives who were present there. So there's absolutely no doubt that the progress and the growth in this sector is stupendous, and it is going to grow in this manner for some more time to come. What is going to be that span of time, I cannot really specify, and I would not like to specify. I would like to say that the growth would continue for a very long time to come, because it has not only given us the strength of numbers, it has also given a tremendous fillip to our economy. Last year, the sector contributed about 20,000 crore to the economy. The contribution of this sector to the growth in GDP is well known. The GDP has grown by 9.4% in the last 1 year. Telecom sector has been a major contributor to this growth. And as you know, India today is the third largest network after USA and China, and the second largest in Asia. And we are growing at the rate of 6.5 to 7 million every month. In the last month, this growth had flagged a bit, because we were concerned about security considerations, and we were very vehement as far as our demand to the operators is concerned. We were insisting that by the end of March, every single person who's had a connection should be verified. His antecedents should be verified, and in case if it is not possible for some reason, that connection should be disconnected. And I must tell you here that when we talk of public-private partnership, when we talk of good understanding between government and the industry, this is a very major instance. It's a case in point here. The industry rose to the challenge, and the verification was done almost to the extent of 100%. And in the process, a good number of